Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare chicken frankie at home. This is very simple and easy recipe to prepare at home. We can also use cheese in this recipe if you prefer, or you can serve it plain. So let's get started with the recipe. Here I've got boneless chicken pieces. I'm using the thigh. I washed it thoroughly, cut it into small pieces and drained it using a colander and reserved. Now to the chicken I'll be adding yogurt. I'll add lime juice. We need to use curry powder, ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, chili powder, salt. I'll also be using Kashmiri chili powder. So now we'll combine all the ingredients in the chicken and allow this to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. We'll cover it and allow it to marinate. So once the chicken has marinated well, I've heated a wok. We'll be adding a teaspoon of ghee to the wok. You can also use oil. Just to enhance the flavor and taste, I've added ghee. Now I'll add the chicken to the wok. We'll fry it for 2 minutes. Don't add excess water right away. Just fry the chicken for 2 minutes. And after you fried the chicken for 2 minutes, at this point you can assess and add your water. So at this point I'll be adding 1/4 cup of water. I've not wasted any of that marination. I've added the water to the marination, diluted it and added it back to the chicken. Now I'll cover this and allow the chicken to cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. While my chicken is cooking, I'll prepare the dough. I've sifted and reserved equal portions of maida and wheat flour. I've added salt to this. Now I'll add water gradually, combine both the flours and knead it to a soft dough. Don't make your dough too tight, just knead it to a very soft dough so that it is easy for us to roll it out. Because there is maida in this, there will be a lot of gluten content. You can prepare it with just whole wheat or with just maida also. Once I finish kneading the dough, I've added oil and I kept kneading it for another 2 more minutes, covered it and allowed this to rest for half an hour. So now my dough is going to be resting for half an hour. At this point my chicken has also cooked very well and I've prepped some veggies and reserved. Here I've sliced onion, chili, bell pepper. We also need to use some curry powder and tomato ketchup. So these are the ingredients you need to prep and reserve. Once my chicken has cooked, you can see most of that moisture is completely evaporated. At that point I'll be adding my sliced onions and sliced bell peppers. We need to add tomato ketchup to this and the curry powder. So once I've added the curry powder and tomato ketchup, we will combine all the ingredients and cook the chicken for another 10 minutes. So once the chicken is very well done, I'll remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down completely. You can reserve this in the refrigerator and prepare the frankies whenever you need. The chicken filling is ready. So now my dough has also rested well. I kept kneading it for another 5 more minutes and then I prepared roundels using the dough. Just like how we prepare rotis, I'm just going to dip it in some flour and roll it out to form uniform rotis. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with my detailed blog post, will be listed in the description box below this video. I also keep posting regular updates on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see once I have rolled out the roti, I'm going to be heating up a tawa and I place the tawa on medium flame. We'll also whisk an egg. with some salt and pepper and reserve it. So once the tawa is nice and hot, I'll start frying my rotis. You have to place it on medium flame now, and from here you need to fry the rotis. You can fry it, you can half cook the rotis, and you can prepare the frankies. Once I've added the rolled roti to the tawa, I flip the roti in a minute's time, and I top the roti with a whisked egg. We need to cook the roti for a minute's time on one side, and we'll add some pepper powder and some oil to the other side and flip the roti again and cook it on the other side. So once the roti has cooked well, I'll remove from the flame and I'll reserve it on a plate. You need to prepare as many rotis as possible. So here I'm preparing 2 rotis simultaneously. So once I prepared 2 rotis, I've also heated the chicken frankie filling. Now the chicken frankie filling is ready. We'll start rolling the rotis and serving it. I'll be using mayo and ketchup. This is the classic way of preparing this frankies. So I'll spread the ketchup on the roti. You can also use chili sauce. That is up to you. Now I'll be layering the roti with the frankie filling and mayonnaise, some sliced onion and bell pepper. So this is the classic way of preparing chicken frankie. You can use chilies as per your preference. If people like it spicy, you can use chilies. Otherwise, you can serve it as it is with some mayonnaise. So here's my chicken frankie. I've served it as hot as possible. It was very nice and tasty. You just need to roll it and eat it. You can also prepare a cheese version. So you prepare the frankie and top it with cheese and serve it. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.